by repeated subtraction method, we have one question from exercise 6.3, and the question is question number 3. Question says find square root of 100 and 169 by repeated subtraction method. And this method is very well known to you. We have discussed in our previous videos also. How is the solution goes on? Just see. What we will do, we will subtract 100 by 1. And the solution is 99. Next, we will subtract this answer to the next odd number. If you remember, I have told in the previous video that sum of first n odd numbers is always equals to the square of the given numbers, right? So, 100 by the same property we are using, and we will be subtracting them by odd numbers one by one respectively from 1. So first we subtract from 1, then we will subtract it from 3, then we will subtract it from 5, we will subtract 96. Whatever be the answer, we subtract that. So 91 next. We will subtract it by 7, 1 and 6, right? So 84 by 9, 4 and 5, that is 75, then 11, 64, then 13, 51, then 15, 36, then 17, which is 19, and then next is 19, which is 0. To explain you repeated subtraction method, I have used exercise 6.3 question number 3. This is NCERT question. Question number 3. Find the square roots of 100 and 100, and the second number is 169 by repeated subtraction method. And what I did, you can see that I started subtracting from 100, the number which is given to us, odd numbers. I would like to highlight the numbers. I first subtracted by 1, then subtracted it by 3, then subtracted it by 5. What I have subtracted, whatever be the answer I got in the previous step, I took that answer and then subtracted it with next odd number, next consecutive odd number. So it's 99 less 3, 96, I got 96, then I subtracted it with 5, then I subtract with 7, whatever be the answer was in the previous step. Next, I took 84 here and subtracted it by 9. Then 75 I got, 75 I subtracted it by 11, 64 I got, 64 I subtracted it by 13, I got 51, then 51 I wrote as a solution and then subtracted it by 15, I got 36, next is 17, I subtracted it, I got 19, and then I subtracted it by 19, I got 0. I will use subtraction method, and since it is repeated till I get 0. Therefore, this method is known as repeated subtraction method, because in this case, whatever the number is given to us, we will subtract that number one by one, whatever be the answer in the step, from, we will be subtracted it by odd numbers starting from 1. So whatever be the answer, we will subtract it by 3. Whatever be the answer, subtract by the next number. Whatever be the answer, subtract by the next odd number. We will continue this step till we will get 0. And whatever or whichever is the step at which you get 0 will be the square root of that number, right? So what will be my solution? Since I got 0 at 10th step, since we got 0 at 10th step, therefore square root of 100 is 10. Simple. Whichever step. If it was 9th step, we would have written it is 9. If it is 12th step, we would have written 12. At whichever step we get 0, we will conclude that that is the square root of the given number. Okay, I hope it is very clear for you. Now you can pause the video, note down the answer, solution to this question, and you can start by using repeated subtraction method on our next number, which is 169. And if you finish, to check your answer, you can continue with the video. So I am done with the repeated subtraction for 169. So by repeated subtraction method, I started subtracting 169 from respectively 1 by 1 by consecutive odd natural numbers starting from 1. So from 169 I subtract 1. Whatever be the answer in the next step, I subtracted it that number by 3. Answer of the previous step, subtract by 5. Subtracted 5 from it. Whatever be the answer, subtract 7 from it. Whatever be the answer, subtract 9 from it, and till 0. I continued the process. You can see that I subtracted by 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. What I did? 169 subtract 1, that is 168. Whatever be the answer, I wrote here and subtract by 3. Whatever be the answer, I wrote here, subtract by 5. Subtract from 5. Subtract 5 from it. Then whatever be the answer, subtract 7 from it. Whatever be the answer, subtract 9 from it. Whatever be the answer, subtract 11 from it. Whatever be the answer, subtract 13 from it. Whatever be the answer, subtract 15 from it. Whatever be the answer, subtract 17 from it. Whatever be the answer, subtract 19 from it. Whatever be the answer, subtract 21. Whatever be the answer, subtract 23. Whatever be the answer, subtract 25. And you can see that I got 0, but that 0 I got at 13th step. So we got 0 at 13th step. Therefore, square root of 169 is 13. And this was solution to NCERT exercise 6.3 question number 3, which asked us to solve or to find the square root of 100 and 169 by repeated subtraction method. Also, if you have not liked our channel, please do like our channel, subscribe for the notification and press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates on our latest video. Thank you for watching us.